In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add account on Microsoft Authenticator. This app helps keep your logins secure by generating time-based codes or approving sign-ins with a tap. Before we start, make sure Microsoft Authenticator is installed on your phone and you're signed in to the device. It also helps to have the account you want to add open on your computer so you can quickly scan a QR code when prompted. Begin by opening the Microsoft Authenticator app on your phone. Give it a second to load your existing accounts, if any. If this is your first time, you might see a brief setup screen. Just continue to the main view. Next, add a new account. Look for the plus icon at the top of the screen and tap it. In some versions, you may also see an Add Account button. Either option works the same. You'll be asked to choose the account type. Pick the option that matches what you're adding. Personal Microsoft account covers services like Outlook, Hotmail, and Xbox. Work or school account is for organizational logins. Other account is used for services like Google or Facebook that support Authenticator codes. Selecting the right type helps streamline the setup. The most common and fastest method is to scan a QR code. After choosing your account type, tap Scan QR Code. If the app asks for camera permission, allow it so you can scan. On your computer, go to the security or two-factor settings page for the account you're adding and choose to set up an Authenticator app. A QR code will appear. Hold your phone steady and point the camera at the code. Once it reads, the account will be added automatically. If it's not scanning, increase your screen brightness and center the code in the frame. If you don't have a QR code, use the manual option. Tap Enter Code manually or sign in, then follow the prompts. Typically, you'll enter your email and password for that account and approve the sign-in on your phone. This links the account just like the QR method. To finish, confirm the setup. You may be asked to approve a login request or enter a verification code to prove everything is connected. When it's successful, the new account will appear in the app. A few quick tips before we wrap up. You can add multiple accounts in Microsoft Authenticator, and each one shows a 6-digit code that refreshes every 30 seconds. Keep these codes private. Some work or school accounts may require admin approval, so check with your organization if you see an access prompt. And that's it. Your account is now protected and ready to use.